Hey friends, welcome back to Mini Kit Monday. It is February 22nd, I believe. Actually, I always have to look at my calendar. I never know what day it is. Oh, and it's the last layout for February. Oh my goodness, because you know, the short month thing. So I am working with this kit that most of it was sent to me once upon a time from Scrapbook Your Joy. And they had me guest design for them a few months back. Oh, stop it. And so, do you guys hear my puppy wanting attention? He is way too much. So I do have, I took out some pieces to use for background papers and all of that. I also have a full-sized paper pad in here, which is really, really fun if I want to do layers and layers and layers. So that's cool, right? Okay. So what I have here is I'm going to use this background here. It's a really, really nice peachy kind of a color. Awesome. And the photo I have, I can bring it up. My son sent it on Snapchat to me. It says first day of school, which he's just being cute. It was his first meeting at his new work. So first day of work kind of thing. So I started looking at some of the goodies. I think I was on the phone or something. I am so sorry. Blue has to stop. Mr. Blue. Mr. Blue, I am trying to film. Okay, I will hold him for a minute to make him calm down. Everybody say hi to Blue. So I was on the phone and I just started putting together a title based on a sticker that was here. So it had Shine On. Then I have these alphas right here and I did a boy out of them. They are called Marquee. They're thickers. I picked them up at Tuesday morning once upon a time. And then this is also in my kit, this set of Maggie Holmes puffy stickers. So my title ended up being, or it will end up being, Shine On Darling Boy. Then from the same sheet, I liked these rainbow stickers. I thought they were super cute. And then I also always like to, if I can, bring in those little kind of fun pieces that are in with the thickers so that they kind of make more sense that it's on the page. Okay, great. So I got that far with choosing things. Then I sat down to scrap, and I haven't scrapped for a couple days, so I always feel like I have to kind of regroup, if that makes any sense. So I thought what I could do is find a sketch, and I realized that Scrapping Reflections has sketches going on all month long, and this one right here is Scrapping Reflections on Facebook. It's a group. Has this one here for the 22nd, and I thought it was kind of cool. So we have, it says photos or embellishments. For me, it would be embellishments, right? We have a wavy kind of a line here. It can be torn, can be cut, whatever. A nice strong piece going down this way. Journaling block here, big bunch of something, something, title and photo. So super open to all different interpretations, right? So what I think I'm going to do is choose the papers that I can work with that. Now I do have a paper pad that is getting ever so used at this point. So I'm going to see what will work. I, clearly from all of these scraps have gone through plenty. Oh, and I like my little cut aparts. I always do. Oh, I used this on my last one with this with this pad. So let's see, always love wood grain. That's super easy. Let me see. Oh, I like those black and white bits. So what I need to do, I like that blue goes with that too. It's just that I just used that same sheet. We'll see how that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and create this kind of piece here. I'm literally still holding him to get him to calm down and be quiet. He's like a toddler. I'm going to get that. Now my photo already has a white frame around it, so that's always nice, but you guys know I love to use up scraps if I can. I'm going to see if there's any of these bits that will allow me to go ahead and mat it more. Or I could, if I don't have enough with that, because I've already used this plenty, I can go to my Cocoa Vanilla paper pad that I still have some pieces left from that too. So I could do that. Awesome. Don't know. Gotta figure out some things. So I'm gonna get my pieces on there. I am going to go ahead and I'll attach down this bit and probably my photo. Then I'll be back and we'll see where we stand on this. Okay, give me a minute. Quick pop on really quickly. I did go ahead and go through this paper pad. Now, I mean, these all look like embellishments to me. Super easy to use. And I'm going to use hot air balloons as kind of a thing on this page, I decided. So I don't even know if the rainbows are really going to work. So I need to take this out because I'm going to detail cut that hot air balloon and any of them that are full size on this page. So these 5 and then the 6th hot air balloon will be detail cut out. I think I can put this aside for now. Now on this scrap here, I also have a hot air balloon that I can trim out. Then I went through the paper pad and I did like these different papers. Now, do I mind? Ooh, look at these hot air balloons. Let me put that to the side in case I want to cut them out. I'm not sure. I don't mind at all if I'm using florals with my son. He is shiny and pretty and all that kind of thing, just like a flower. So all that works just fine for me. But I am planning, would you have some respect, please? Sir, I am planning on using a bunch of these to kind of do some kind of layering something, and I'm feeling like they might be torn because I like things torn. Now the difference with this sketch and what I'll probably be doing though, my son is kind of facing this way, so I'm gonna have this bit on this side. Do you hear it? Because I won't hold him. Who has this with a dog? He is so freaking extra. What are the people going to say about you, Blue? Okay, now I'm really going to go for it. I'll be back in a second. Check-in time. I do love the way this is coming together. Now, these are 8x8 sheets that I'm using. So halfway down the way, I have a little bit of a seam. I don't even think you can see it that much. I've got these hot air balloons detail cut out. And I have one little extra guy. I'm going to have to probably put that by the title. And I pop them up on these little cheap craft rectangle-y things from the dollar store. They're by the automotive department. Not really sure what that's about. So I have them popped up on there. I double matted my photo and just tore the bottom edge to, seriously, Blue. He was quiet the whole time I was cutting these things out. Okay, so the bottom pieces, I went ahead and tore them so they'd mimic them on the side. Now, for these wood veneer pieces, these are from One Canoe to Saturday Afternoon. Dude, shush. And this one reads, Life is a Collection of Moments, and this one's a house. Why is the house possibly a thing? Well, A, it matches, but B, my son is working in the mortgage industry. So, and he's going to work. It all works for me. I don't know, it works. Okay, let's just go with it. So I know I'm going to use that. Now, my title. In our sketch, title is right here. So if I put the title up yonder, oh, and I'm still looking, I can have that and a block down here. So maybe I could have this piece here, the hot air balloon, and some other goodness. Maybe some ticket punches or something cut out of there. Okay, I like the idea of that. So if I had that, this piece down here, I need to get in. Should I put, see, the house on top of them seems rather heavy. I don't know. I do want to get Shine On Darling Boy up there. Let me bring this down just a bit. So I just don't want all the wood veneer in one spot. So maybe I can just do the wood there. The wood there and there is going to have to be fine. I'm going to get my title up here. And then I need to find a couple things to punch for right here. Okay, alrighty, let's see. Now I have these little hot air balloons. They are down. Let me get this. Oh, and I have my title is attached. Now let's start working on some of these cute little extra bits. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put this little plus sign for no good reason whatsoever right there, just because I want some of that same title to flop around, or not flop around, to be in various places on this layout. Now, this piece right here reads, life is a collection of moments. This little square, it says, you are my everything. That was one of the cut aparts from this sheet right here. And I thought that would help me to bulk up this little cluster right here. Now, let me get my T-square ruler just kind of quickly to see if it's squared off-ish. Yeah, it's ished. All right, and I wanted that to kind of rest in that circle bit. This is that one hot air balloon. Let me see, can you see the bottom part? Yep, that I had left, and I thought I could bulk up this bottom cluster as well with this cute little hot air balloon. And just, let's see. Now I'm gonna have this. How about this going kind of up because it's an air balloon? Cute, so cute. Okay, now another one of these little plus signs. Once again, just trying to repeat elements, you know that thing. And why do I have a wood chip on my desk? I don't know. That is my answer. All right, so this can be right by the you are my everything for my son. Okay, great. So now I have this little flare badge, and it is the last one. It's a flare button from this Daydream collection. I thought I could go ahead also. See how we have this nice yellow in here? Let's go ahead and pop that somewhere by the title to make the title ever so nifty. And it came with a little foam piece right behind it. Now for this wood veneer little house, which never knew how I was going to use that house, but it works really, really well for his first day at this mortgage company. So, okay, we kind of have it line up on the line of this photo. So we have that. Now, did the sketch have this nice wavy line? Yes. It was supposed to have 3 photos or embellishments. I have more because I had more in my kit. So I went with it, right? This journaling block down here, I did go ahead and make a block to mimic the journaling block. Oh, look at that. Something shipped. I know what that is. How exciting, from Amazon. It's actually some heat press vinyl to do. I wanted to do a couple of She's Crafty shirts. It's either that or I ordered the Bulldog Opoly game. Now you guys know everything that I am doing. All right, so super cute so far. Love this. And I have been so into using detail cut pieces as die cuts lately. I don't know what it is, but I've been having so much fun. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. I did see that some of the collections coming out had, you know, like the 12 by 12 chipboards, and I used to race to get them, but I'm having so much fun cutting out my own things right now. I don't know how that's going to go. Okay, total digression. So as things go, this is done, and I do have a Heidi Swapp Color Shine in navy that would be perfect to splatty down, and I'll do that. Now I just want to see if there's anything else. That deep blue heart would have been very, very helpful, but you know, it's not going to be a thing. I could put some little words here and there. So let's see. I can have so good. I like that. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, little guy. I like so good. I like sweetheart. It's my son. I can, you know, call him what I want. So you are my sunshine's already on there. So we don't do sunshine again. This is too funny these days. Don't forget. And I can do happy. He's very, very happy with his new career goals. So I think I'm going to have them just come out of a couple of these balloons. I think that would be cool. Maybe these 3. And I hope they're straightish. Oh, you know what? I don't want it to fight with the title that much. So maybe I need to switch a couple of these and have happy come out from this one. And maybe this one. I just don't want it to like kind of compete with the title. What I think I'm going to do, okay, we're done with the sketch. It has helped us out. It guided us along. We can move on. I just need to kind of see if these are kind of straight because I cannot do straight things. Straight things are not for me. I am a big fan of my level to hang up anything. The whole thing. but it's also important that we know what we can and cannot do. Okay, and my head's probably over that. I'm sorry. Okay, so I have little words. I love little words. Done with my iPad. Now, kind of good with what's on that sticker set. Do we want to bring, ooh, these work. And so do the stars. Stars or circles? Pick, guys, pick. Now, clearly I like the stars best because I've used them the most. The indecision, okay, we'll use the stars. We will use the stars. Okay. I'm just gonna do like the floaty bits that I like to do. We have them here, here, and I need one more. I need one more. That doesn't make any sense. You don't even see it on the navy. We'll do it right above this. So good. So you can see that. Okay, that was fun. I liked those. I wish I had a smaller size little circle because I'd sprinkle them as well. Now I do have these sequins that are cool. And I did have this whole pack of titles, but I haven't needed to use them. Although I threw them in. Oh guys, look, I have the yellow tone. I have like this yellow tone that I was trying to bring in a little bit more. So let's just do that. I already have stars, so I'm not going to do hearts, even though I do like the heart thing. All right, so I'm going to do that. These are interesting. These are by Jelly Bean Soup. They're epoxy stickers. They are, they're not like sticky gummy, but they have like you can kind of bend them. They're kind of cool. Okay, so let's see. I like that. Don't really want another giant one up there though. Oh gosh, they're stuck together. What exploded? Something exploded, guys, when I did that. Okay, careful. Guys, they're coming off everywhere. What is happening? I think it's time for me to use them. Should I just leave them on my desk? I think this is one of those things that I'm gonna have to leave on my desk so they get used because they're starting to freak out. Okay, I have that. And then let me put a couple here. These things are literally freaking out. And I can use a bigger one down here. Or do I want to go like that? Oh, I like that. All right, I am going to be leaving these on my desk going forward and trying to use them up because they are being fit. Well, actually, no, I have this. I won't have to do that. Okay, they are just being so fitful. Ooh. Okay, I have that. Don't really need to bring in the sequins now. Is there anything else I want to do with this? Because I have that there. Oh, I did do stars. So I can do, yeah, maybe like a star going this way. I like that white color. And I don't need to really do anything else down there. Yeah, sometimes you could actually plan this stuff out and it would make more sense. But I don't tend to do that. Okay, I have that. Maybe I can do, okay, puffy, and I have puffy, well, I actually don't need the puffy there because I have the puffy there. So why don't I bring it down here? So I have puffy. Okay, don't really know if I need the puffy there. Guys, what do you think? Okay, you know what? This is not like solving world hunger, so let's not worry about it that much. I have that. I'm going to do some navy splatty bits and I'll be back in a second. And that is that. I love that the color that the navy blue, it's a Heidi Swapp Color Shine, brings out the color of a shirt just a little more than this navy did. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you like what I came up with. I love these hot air balloons because he's only moving up. How cool is that? All right, that's it, friends. Bye-bye now.